I'm often asked, how does workers' compensation fit into this program? Well, it varies in every state. In some states, farm workers are not covered by workers' comp. In other states, they are. Assuming the worker, whether it's a farm worker or not, is covered by workers' compensation, normally the first remedy the worker chooses is workers' compensation. And what happens then is, in every state that, well, except one, that I've been aware of in the course of my career, the Workers' Compensation Authority needs to be paid back if the worker makes a recovery. In addition, how I got started in this field was a workers' compensation carrier came to me in Lamar, Colorado, a little southeastern Colorado town where I was officing, and asked me if I would pursue a case where they had to pay out a large amount of money, and they thought the design of the machine was faulty, and they were absolutely right. And we ended up filing suit and trying a case in U.S. District Court. The jury agreed. In that case, the worker, after we talked to them, said, yes, we would like to join in the case too. And so, in effect, I was making the case on behalf of both the workers' compensation carrier and also the injured worker and his spouse.